Good morning, friends. How are you? Fine, thank you. Friends, whatever I share and speak, or earlier I have spoken to you, it's keeping in mind of my groups. We are united to do something together. That always, when I say something, I share something, I always keep you my group and keep you in my in my mind. Okay. So actually, let me say few little things which we can change and you can develop all the time. That is the main thing, that we have to keep on going in a right direction. Death, let me say, death, somebody you are dying inside. Death is not the greatest loss in life. Death, you are very afraid of dying, but we are dying minute by minute, second by second. What is loss? When life dies inside you while you are alive. हमको जिंदा रहते हुए भी पल पल में शायद मर रहे हैं. मर रहा मतलब dying मतलब in that sense I would say we are not using that time properly. Let me start it frankly. We always love beautiful things. हमको हमेशा सुंदर रखना चाहते हैं. We keep on appreciate all the beautiful thing, beautiful garden, beautiful house, beautiful car, beautiful places we would like to visit, paying whatever it takes. We are looking for all the time beautiful thing. You don't go for charging dirty thing, dirty place, full of mud, full of whatever. Even we, हमारा घर को भी हम हमेशा सुंदर रखते हैं, सजाते हैं, खुद को भी सजाते हैं, right? That is, we are charging, we are हमारा जिंदगी को beautiful का साथ में लगाव है. That is the signal. Then what about our mind? What about we are thinking about other people? हम दूसरों के लिए क्या सोच रहे हैं? Beautiful सोच रहे हैं या hatred या dirty? So first purpose in our life to, as a human being, always be a good finder. तो गुड फाइंडर हमको अगर हम करेंगे, अगर गुड फाइंडर मतलब इफ यू आर चार्जिंग एंड हमारा काम है कीप ऑन गोइंग मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द ब्यूटिफुल थिंग्स. तो दैट इज फ्रॉम आवर इंटेंशन एंड थॉट प्रोसेस एंड व्हाट यू से, व्हाट यू मीन. This is very important. Then that will be in our direction. That is the rudder. All the time we are moving forward in the life of journey through a rudder. What is your rudder? What is your direction? Where you are keeping that compass? This is very important. Which direction? So first, accept. I have to. What I do, my first part to accept myself as it is, and think for the good, for better, for everyone. That way, if I think better, and मैं अगर चाहता हूँ कि दूसरों को भलाई हो, and keep in mind for the whole world, and I know that. God is going to help me, and that is my intention. After that, all the thing, tangible and intangible, the whole universe conspire to supply that thing. Are you aware of that? Always. That's why four things I would like to share with you for get the directions of little bit. Be a good finder, okay? Be impeccable with your word. Speak with integrity. Say only what you mean. Avoid using the word to speak against yourselves or to gossip about others. Gossip को छोड़ना है. In the mind में. Don't talk, don't discuss. ठीक? Then, don't take anything personally. Don't take anything personally. If somebody said something, don't take. When you are immune, your part to be immunity, physical immunity, but what about mental immunity? When you are immune to the opinions and actions of others, you won't be the victim of needless suffering. Why you are making yourself suffering? Don't make yourself suffering. आप भूल जाइए, whatever is happening is happening. Number one, be impeccable with word. Number two, don't take anything personally. Okay? Number three, it is the book. Don't make assumption. Assume mat kariye, nothing. If you want to say something, find the courage to ask question and to express what you really want. If you're thinking about negative about anybody else or any competition or criticizing, that the first thing वही हमको पहले क्लियर करना है. Otherwise you are suffering. You are carrying that things which is not working well, not helping you out as a better human being, right? Then number 4, always do your best. Always do your best under any circumstances. जो चाहिए under any circumstances. Always do your best under any circumstances. Simply do your best and you will avoid self-judgment, self-abuse and regret. What it said? Self-judgment. You will avoid. You have to avoid self-judgment. खुद को judge मत करते रहिए दूसरों को. Keep on. If you are happy, you are thinking good for others, why you need to judge yourself, okay? You keep on doing. Love people, help them. In our business, soda plan, but what about your life? You share it, no? Excitedly, happily, then you will get happy people, right? Then you will avoid self-judgment, self-abuse and regret. One thing I would like to say, we create our future with the words we use. We create our future with the word we use. People live at the level at which they speak. People live at the level at which they speak. See? And be a simple, very simple, childlike. You know? Be a simple, childlike. Very simple. Persist in maintaining. We need to maintain. Persist in maintaining simple, childlike, miracle making faith. Have faith upon yourself. Please. You keep on. That is the thing. Always I am giving you the message which is going to work in your life because it worked in my life. मैं कहाँ से कहाँ आ गया हूँ because of these things. आपको प्रोग्रामिंग करना है angels like thinking, divine ये में, and the hard work to keep yourself beautiful and clean. First, if you are not beautiful in your mind, you are allowing to dirty to enter in your, there's a pollution, it's going to affect you, and anyway it's affecting. Be happy, friends. We have a business, this opportunity. आज ये जो हमारा पास में जो opportunity है दुनिया में किसी का नहीं है. So let us be different than majority, you know. So जो लोग सोचते हैं, जो बोलते हैं, the discussion, that what they are doing, अगर आप वही कर रहे हो, you are in the mediocrity, majority, and we want to go above average. हम रहना नहीं चाहते. पहले हमेशा every day we need to grow. And lots of books are there to self-help book. You take it all the time. Keep a book with yourself. Keep your mind programming, and that's the vitamin minerals of the mind. Nothing. आपको कुछ सिखाना नहीं है. You are the owner of your mind. You program it, and be courageous. Courage is the power. No, you come. आपको दिमाग से आएगा. You feel it. Your intention. First, be happy at any condition and think what you need to think. Cleansing. Clean career. And find out the purpose. My purpose to remain happy every day. Today, yes, it's a new day. And I will fight. And I will keep on saying I deserve my mind to be in the peaceful and loving people. And I'm going to do that. And it's not so hard if you have intentions to loving. Thank you very much. Again, the next.